YouTube doesn't hate small creators like you and like me. You are doing this very wrong. The idea that YouTube hates small creators is a myth. I'm going to show you that in this video. The algorithm does not look at your channel size. It looks at individual video performance and audience satisfaction. It has nothing to do with you because the algorithm does not know who you are. So, what small channels are struggling with? Number one, poor packaging. I think that is what you are struggling with. You look at great movies, check the packaging, the posters, the billboard. You're going to see that they are attractive billboards that will even drive people to watch that particular movie. If you're having poor packaging, you can have great videos and then it will fail if the title and the thumbnail do not make people click. So the packaging here has to do with the title and the thumbnail. All together forms the packaging of that video, because nobody knows the content of that video by just looking at it. They will look at the title, they will look at the thumbnail. The thumbnail will attract them first, then followed by the title. Then number two, slow intros is killing your channel. Viewers leave within the first 30 seconds. If you do not get to the point, you are wasting their time. You tend to play around with what prompt them to click on your video. Hence, it will kill that particular video performance. So try to get to the point straight. Number three thing you are doing very wrong is that your topics are broad. I believe you have watched a particular video on either Facebook or YouTube or anywhere. Immediately you saw that video and it interests you. You click on that channel to find similar videos, not different videos. Once you tap on that channel and you begin to see different videos, what happens? It loses your interest. You can't stay on that channel again. But if you begin to see similar content, what happens? You keep on scrolling. You spend more time on that particular channel. Same with your channel. If you have that idea, you stop going into broad topics as small creators. You stop mixing unrelated topics that confuses the algorithm about who your audience is. You give it, you feed it, and then you direct it on your particular niche. Then we have low engagement. You are struggling with low engagement because viewers do not comment. Why? The last one here is that if viewers do not comment, do not share, or watch until the end, YouTube will stop pushing that particular video. Hence, you are having low engagement. Low engagement will kill that particular video, no matter how good that video is. Try to see how you can cause your viewers to incite them to engage with your video so that the algorithm will be compelled to function in your favor. Yes. So let me ask you before we proceed, has your channel been having any of this issue recently as a small creator? Then what have you been doing to fix that particular issue? Let me hear your opinions in the comments. Then how the algorithm actually works. I want to show you how it functions. Number one, it functions based on viewer centric. It centers on the viewer, not on the creator. The algorithm follows the audience, not you, the creator, the owner of the channel. No, the audience, it respects the audience. Customers are always right. Yes, you have heard that. So that is how the algorithm functions. It wants to retain the customer because it knows it already has people who will produce these goods. It needs customer that will be feeding on this particular goods. Hence, it centers more on the viewers. So, as a creator, try to focus on the viewer, not on you. Don't drop content that you like or love to drop. No, drop content that users will like to click. As you begin to progress and you begin to have your own audience, then you can decide to do whatever you want to do. So you can see that two main systems. One system finds video for home pages. That's how the algorithm functions. It will find video for the home pages. The other system will suggest videos next to what people are watching. That's how the algorithm functions. And if your videos are related, you see that the algorithm will now function on suggesting your videos back to back. and that's how your channel is going to blow. So it also functions on key metrics, which include your CTR, the click-through rate, and the average view duration, which is the retention. It matters the most. When viewers click on your videos, were you able to keep them hooked to that video, or immediately they started to watch that particular video, they drop off? That shows a sign to the algorithm that your video is insufficient for that particular viewer, and the algorithm will begin to receive bad signals and it will not function in your favor. Then how does the algorithm function? Does it hate you? Listen, it functions based on equal opportunities. Every upload is tested on a small sample audience, regardless of your subscriber count. I'm going to drop a video on subscribers. You only need subscribers for monetization. After that, your subscriber count is irrelevant. So this equal opportunity, of course, it will give videos equal opportunity, but the algorithm can favor some particular topics. So that's why you will be very careful as to which topic or content you create. You create content that the algorithm will love, and the algorithm will love to suggest to people. Then it can also shadow ban you. I've seen it happen. So of course, some channel might have this issue of shadow banning. It is possible, yes, especially if you have had issues with YouTube before now. Then what are the actionable fixes for your own strategy? What can you do to fix this particular low view as a YouTuber, as a small creator? Number one, niche down. Focus on one specific topic until you can build a loyal core audience. Focus on one specific topic. If you are talking about algorithm, keep talking about the algorithm for maybe 5, 6, 7 videos. All right, but not the same topic. Just your topic should center around that particular topic. All right, like you are breaking them into subtopics. With that, you are giving and you are feeding the algorithm with the right idea that your niche is focused on this. Then number two, how can you fix it? Master the hook. Spend extra time planning the first 45 seconds of your video as if your life depends on it. In fact, make sure your first 45 seconds is well built, that even if that is the only thing the viewer will watch, it will satisfy the viewer, which becomes the customer. Try by all means to see that your first 45 seconds keep the viewer hooked. You can use YouTube AI, you can use ChatGPT and the other AIs to help you to analyze your hook. Then the next thing you can do to fix that is optimize for click-through rate. Design high contrast thumbnail with less than 5 words of text. Are you here? If you look at my channel currently, my thumbnail, I have a prompt that I'm using to feed ChatGPT, and then I feed it my image, I feed it the title, I instruct it on what to do, and then it generates my thumbnail for me. So when you are generating your thumbnail, some YouTubers, you see that the whole thumbnail is filled with text, and the text becomes so tiny that it will be very difficult to see on a smartphone. So make sure your texts are bold, well written, that a viewer or a user of YouTube, once he's scrolling, he can, without stress, see the title of your video, and he can tell exactly what your video is all about. The last thing you can do to fix this is study your analytics. Okay, look at your retention graphs to see exactly where viewers click away. Is it at the first minute, second minute, third minute, fourth minute? Check the retention graph. Then you will now try to see how you can improve that in your subsequent videos. If you're having issues with that, engage with the YouTube AI in your studio. It will guide you, it will instruct you, it will suggest to you what to do. That AI can go through your video and then it will give you the best action to take in order to fix your low views. So today I want you to ask yourself this question, and I want you to audit your channel performance by yourself. If you can't answer it, then you must do something today. Question number one, what is your channel niche? Can you answer that question? What is your channel niche? Can you specifically, and can the algorithm detect and specify your channel niche? What is your average click-through rate? Can you confirm it? Have you been able to check it? And how often do you check that? Number 3, where do viewers usually drop off in your videos? Can you be able to identify that currently? If you can't, then you need to fix them. And if you want my guidance on how to help you do that, join my Telegram channel as displayed in the description, where I'll be dropping 1 or 2 tips on how you can fix your small channel. And if you want to know why you are getting 0 impressions, click on this video next. It will guide you and it will help you to give you the right idea on how to fix it.